Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. Today we are revisiting a fan favorite, the OnePlus 7T, and asking the big question, is it still worth buying in 2024? This phone was a flagship killer when it first launched, but how does it stack up today against newer models? Let's break down the pros and cons, and by the end of this video you will know if the OnePlus 7T is the right device for you. Let's start with one of OnePlus 7T's biggest selling points, the display. The 6.55-inch Fluid AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate was a standard feature in 2019. And guess what? It still holds up in 2024. Whether you are watching YouTube videos, playing games, or scrolling through social media, the display offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and that smooth, fluid motion. In comparison to many mid-range phones in 2024, this screen still gives a premium feel. If you are someone who values high-quality display for media consumption or gaming, the OnePlus 7T is still a solid option. Even though we are 4 years down the line, the OnePlus 7T's performance is still solid. Powered by Snapdragon 855 Plus processor and up to 8GB of RAM, this phone can handle multitasking, gaming, and daily usage without lag. For context, I've run some modern games and heavy apps like photo editors, and everything still works seamlessly. Sure, it might not compete with the latest flagship devices, but for most users it's still fast enough to keep up with demanding tasks. The camera setup is no longer cutting edge, but it gets the job done. With a triple camera system, a 48-megapixel main sensor, 16-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and 12-megapixel telephoto, it's more than capable of handling everyday photography. Outdoors or in good lighting, the shots are sharp with decent color accuracy. The ultra-wide is great for landscapes, and the telephoto lens helps capture more details from a distance. The night mode, while not as advanced as today's flagship models, still works surprisingly well for a phone of this age. Let's talk about software, a key part of the OnePlus experience. OnePlus is known for its clean, near-stock Android experience with Oxygen OS, and despite the phone's age, it still feels smooth. It might not get the latest Android updates anymore, but the user interface remains clean and responsive, which makes it faster than many new budget phones packed with bloated softwares. If you prioritize clutter-free experience, this could be a major selling point. At this point, one of the biggest reasons to consider the OnePlus 7T is the price. With newer phones costing upwards of $1,000, the 7T can be found at a fraction of that. If you're on a budget but want a phone that still feels high-end, this is a great deal. Plus, its premium build with a glass back and aluminum frame gives it a premium feel that many budget phones lack. Battery life is where the OnePlus 7T starts to show its age. The 3800 mAh battery was decent back in the day, but in 2024, with more power-hungry apps and features, you might find yourself needing to charge more frequently. On a typical day of moderate usage, it should last through a day, but if you are a heavy user, gaming, using navigations, or watching videos for extended periods, you will probably be reaching for the charger more often. On the plus side, it supports fast charging, so at least topping it up is quick. Another area where things get tricky, software updates. By 2024, OnePlus has likely stopped pushing out major Android updates for the 7T. While it still runs smooth on its current version, you will miss out on the newest features and security patches. This might not be a deal breaker for everyone, but if you care about staying up to date with the latest Android enhancements, this could be a downside. In 2024, 5G networks are everywhere, and unfortunately, the OnePlus 7T only supports 4G LTE. If you live in an area with strong 5G coverage, or if you are looking to future-proof your device for faster mobile data speeds, this phone might feel a bit outdated. For casual users, 4G LTE speeds are still fine for streaming and browsing, but power users may feel the pinch. While the camera is decent, it's far from cutting edge by today's standards. In low light, the 7T struggles more than newer phones, and features like AI enhancements or advanced zoom options are missing. If photography is a big priority for you, especially for social media or content creation, this could be a drawback. Lastly, there's the lack of wireless charging. In 2024, this feature is nearly standard, even on mid-range phones. and its absence on the OnePlus 7T makes it feel a bit old-fashioned. It's not a deal breaker for everyone, but if you've gotten used to the convenience of wireless charging, you'll miss it here. So, is the OnePlus 7T still worth it in 2024? For someone looking for a reliable, well-built smartphone with beautiful display and solid performance, the OnePlus 7T is still worth considering, especially at its current price point. However, if you're after cutting-edge features like 5G, wireless charging, or latest software updates, you might be better off looking at newer models. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.